you're a fan of vintage toy freedom, you know I love G.I. Joes. It's no secret. That's my number one line. And I told myself a while ago I'm not going to collect foreign Joes because there's just so many and it gets expensive. But lo and behold, you're looking at one. This one is from Spain. We have a couple Brazilian figures there from Estrella. We have a few British figures there, Action Force. There's another Estrella figure right there. And that's a European figure. And I have more. These are just the ones I have on display. There's a European mutt. But yeah, so I have a handful. I have some Brazilian ones, some British ones, some Spanish ones, some Argentinian figures from Plastorama, a couple Fun School from India. And here we have Doyo. He is the G.I. Joe Equipo Ninja. His nombre en código is Doyo Silencio Luchador Ninja. Auténtico Acción Ninja con mecanismo para el golpe de lo rayo. So this is from España, from Spain. And the Equipo Ninja line, which would be Ninja Force here in America, these ones are really easy to find, and they're honestly really cheap. There's the Bang Joe. You can find, right now on eBay, you can find those for, I want to say they're less, I think about 10 shipped. It's like $4.50 and like $5.50 shipping or something like that. I actually have owned the entire set except for, I think, the slice figure, the Afilado. And I've had doubles of some of these. This is actually a double, this Doyo. This is why I'm opening it. So yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why they're so cheap. Maybe they made a lot of them and they didn't sell well, but you can find these for $10 a piece easily. I found them for less. I got a set of 4 of them for, I think they like 8 each, in a lot. So, so anyway, I don't know. This is not super valuable. I have a fledgling YouTube channel in which I open vintage carded figures. This one is from 1992, and I'm gonna open it because it's different. It's cool, and hopefully, I don't know. I also collect the foreign file cards because that's the thing. Once you kind of get into your collection and you really start needing, rare stuff or hard to find stuff, I guess you kind of get into foreign things. So that's kind of where I'm at now, and I'm just gonna be quiet while I open this. Picturing that I'm like 9 years old and I'm in Spain on vacation with my parents and I see this. So one thing about him, and look, he's kind of yellow too. That's unfortunate. There's a string that attaches to his sort of sickle and little spear thing, and that actually is kind of hard to find. If you are a fan of the show, even if you're not, hopefully you've watched or will watch a previous episode where I actually opened his American version up. Interestingly, this included a 1988 stand. His actual American one comes with a more modern stand. His foot doesn't fit in there too well. So, yeah, so he's got the sort of chopping action. Doesn't look like it's working. Maybe because his hair's in the way. Let's get his hair out of there. Yikes. His hair's very stiff and kind of sticky. Ah, there we go. Yeah, the hair was in the way. So yeah, he can do kind of a karate chop move there. Let's listen to see if his knees crack. Not so much. What is his elbow? No, his head. Not so much. So anyway, I think this is pretty cool. I'm going to keep it. I got him complete here. You can see he's yellowed. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, see his legs are yellowed. The blue of his chest is discolored, but It still says made in China. So this is really, I'm pretty sure this is just the American figure with a different stand and obviously the different card back. And I don't know. I don't know if I should cut this as a file card or if I should just kind of keep it intact. I have one of these in my collection now. I don't know. But yeah, I've been seeing some of these pop up, some of these foreign ones, like the snake eyes. What's interesting, you have the Serpente de Nieve and the Ojos de Serpiente. I wonder what the difference is. Some of these are British, but there's obviously some Spanish and other European language figures. So I don't know. Yeah, just kind of simple, kind of cool. Just a little bit different. It's got the different card back and the different figure stand. And yeah, so thanks for watching. And I obviously will continue to seek out odd figures for you, things that are different. And I probably don't plan on opening too many foreign figures, but for some reason these Spanish Ninja Force G.I. Joes are pretty darn cheap. So, yo Joe.